Hôpital de La Tour is a private hospital. We insist a lot on this identity of a hospital within the private environment because this gives us also a mission to treat more complex patients. We have a few services in La Tour as intensive care unit, the 24/7 emergency department, or also the internal medicine that are really services that you don't find very often in the public sector, but which are here in La Tour and provide better security and a very high standard of care for all the patients. So La Tour has also this particularity of being a single campus. This is something that is very important also for us. We're not part of a group, so the strategy for us is very strongly focused on strengthening the centers of excellence that we have here in Bern on our side. And we also, in terms of size, actually with 180 beds and a bit more than 1,000 employees, among the biggest private institutions in Switzerland and the biggest private hospital in French-speaking Switzerland.
So at La Tour we really have a big vision for the future of healthcare and how it's going to evolve, and we've decided to invest 750 million in this campus, which will include space and exchange facilities for different types of companies like pharmaceutical companies, biotechnological, medtech companies that will benefit from a very close way of interacting with our physicians, with patients, with our entire staff. And I think what's very strong is the interdisciplinary work that teams do together around a patient pathway. So we will think about a pathology, about a problem the patients have, and how we solve it in a multidisciplinary way. And I think both the way we're going to build a campus of the future will bring the DNA of this interdisciplinarity into the building, into the walls of the building, into the way it's designed. And for us, it's our promise to patients to make sure that we are always at the top of what exists in terms of medical devices, of medical therapies or other clinical treatments, so that they can get the best for their own health problems.